How to set a ringtone on the Zedge app. What's up everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily set a ringtone from this app right here. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. Now, the first thing you need to do is download the application, and once you have installed it, tap on the open button, and here you will have to provide a few permissions to continue with the app, so tap on accept and continue. Now once you get on the home page, you'll be asked for a premium plan. I'm just gonna skip this for now. So if you want to use the free version, you'll find different wallpapers and ringtones. And on the bottom tab, you will see wallpapers and ringtone. You just want to head over to the ringtone tab, and then from here you can select various ringtones according to your choice. You can also tap on it to play it before you actually set it on the ringtone. So once you listen to the music and you like it, then you can tap on this download button right here. And once you tap on the download button, you can tap on Set Ringtone, and it will ask for the permissions, so tap on Allow. Now, once you allow the permissions, you can easily set this as a ringtone. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.